Okay, hello. This is Module 7, Lab 1, VPC, Public, and Private Subnet. This is Lab 1, Private Virtual Cloud Subnet. Create the below VPC component to set up a private and public subnet. Launch an EC2 instance in the private subnet and an EC2 instance in the public subnet. From the EC2 instance in the public subnet, SSH into the EC2 in the private subnet. Public and private subnets, root tables, and roots, network ACLs, EC2 instances to them. Okay, so we're going to create a VPC. We're going to go directly into our AWS, search of VPC. Okay, enter VPC. Okay, we're going to create a VPC. All right, so what information do we need? We need VPC demo and then 10.0.0.0/16, no VPC 6, a CIRD block, and tendency default. Okay, see if we could do that. Let's call this VPC demo. Is that what it's called? Yes. And it's not, I will leave it with capital letters. Okay. Is there anything else I need to change? I guess we'll just leave everything default and put create VPC. It's currently creating the VPC. Create the subnet, creating gateway, and view VPC. All right, we now have a VPC demo/VPC. My VPCs will change this from unnamed default, and save this. Subnets. We have something a subnet. I'm not sure what is default, so I'm just going to leave this as is. And then route tables, RSD, and the missing one. All right, I'm gonna delete the RDS VPCs because we're not using that. I guess we can't be deleted. All right, now we want to create a subnet, so let's go to subnet, create subnet, VPC, using VPC demo, subnet name. We want, okay, let's create the subnet name. Will be called after the what it will be .1.0 dash US dash west dash, this isn't west, is it? This is east. Okay, east 1 1A, right? I'll just call it 1A. And then we will east 1. Yep, that is what we want. And change this to dot. Okay. 10.0.1 dot 0 /24. Then that's fine. Yeah, everything's fine. Create subnet. Something's wrong. This overlaps with an existing subnet. Okay. Cancel. Which one has that subnet? I don't see one that's 10 dash something. This one is the 10.0.0. Create subnets. VPC 10.0.1.0 US West dash 1A. I guess we'll go with. Oh, we can't even choose West, so East it is. East A. 10.0.1.0/24. Okay. Create subnext. Why does it not want that? It says there's already one that overlaps, but I don't see one that overlaps. Because that one is not that. This one already has .20. And then this can't change. So something's not going right here. Where would I change the information so it works? Yeah, that's fine. Alright, what about now? Let's do it the .21 that it wants. -20. Alright, create subnest. Doesn't even want the -20. Okay. Cancel. Yeah, I don't know what is conflicting here. None of them conflicts with what I just showed. Root tables. Nope. Internet gateways. No. Can't even choose a IPv6. Alright, let's check. Okay, I may have done this one wrong. So I'm gonna delete this demo one. Delete VPC. Yes, it will delete everything else. Delete. Okay. Alright, let's create a VPC. Let's do the VPC only. VPC demo. Allocate manual 10 dots. Oh, 10.0. Oh, 0.0.0/16. If I recall. Yeah. And then add a yep. And see default. That is exactly what it should be. With no tags. Okay. Now we create actions. All right, so let's go to subnets, and hopefully it allows me to create the subnet for VPC demo. Call it 10.0.1.0. Is that what it was again? Okay, we already know what to do. /us/east/1a. Preference of 1a. It's there, so 10.0.1.0/24. Then click that. Or should I put no? Okay, we do not need to assign it, so we'll just leave it as blank. Hopefully this works now, which is 10.0.1.0/24. And it's actually creating the subnet. The problem was that I put the more subnet. All right, it has been created successfully. Okay, now we will create the private subnet since this is the public subnet. Create subnet for the demo 10.0.2.0 -us -east -1a for 1a 10.0.2.0 or /. Oh, excuse me, I should have done it in a different availability zone. So 1c instead of 1a. Okay. Okay, 24. Oh, this was supposed to be 20, not. Wait, is it? No, it was 2. Okay. All right. Now we create subnet. Oh, go back. Something went wrong. No cider VPC and create. Hopefully that's, and it works. All right. So now we should have all of them. So we go to subnets and we see both of them right here. Now we'll go to the route table or the internet gateway. All right, let's create the internet gateway. Internet gateway demo. That's not how you spell demo. Demo. Okay, create internet gateway. All right. Here we go to internet gateways. Select this, and then actions attached VPC, and add it to VPC demo. Yes, attached it to the demo. All right, it's now been attached. Check gateways, they are attached. All right, now we go into our routing tables. All right. All right, now we do a create routing table. All right, routing table demo. Okay, create a VPC demo, and then create routing table. Okay, back to a routing table. There it is. This is the one. Now we go to routes. All right. All right. Edit routes. Add route 0.0.0 through our gateway, correct? Wait. Internet gateway, which is the demo gateway. Yes. Save changes. We also want to do a add route of -0 through our internet gateway of, that is demo correct. Yes, it is. Save changes. Has been added. All right, so now we go to the subnet associations. Edit subnets without explanation. Give it this one, which is our public subnet, and save association. And it is, there we go. And this one is private. All right, so now we got to go back to the routes. Oh, wait, excuse me. Our subnets. Go to our A, which is our public, and give it an action of No. View details. Candidate subnet. Let's see. That is not what. Oh, yes, it is. And we want to enable auto assign a public IPv4 address so it could access outside. All right. Save. All right. Okay, now let's go to EC2. Okay, running. New launch. Okay, let's free existing security group. We could find. Okay, it's not that. Subnet. This. We want. Where's VPC? Ah, there you go. VPC demo. One goes with A. That's the right one. Yes. Okay. New interface. Manually assign? No. Okay, let's add. Where's the tags? I don't see the tag. Oh, add additional tags. Okay. Value. Object 1. Okay, let's change the name of the security group so we know what it is. VPC security group demo. And then just rename this to the same thing. There we go. All right, let's add HTML and HTTPS. There you go. All right. Create new pair, of course. VPC dash. All right. Key pair demo. And then download the key pair. Yes. Save the key pair. Okay. Now we have a new key pair. And we want to launch the instance. Oh, wait. Everywhere. All right, launch. All right, it's been successful. Now we just gotta wait for it to turn on. All right, we're gonna name this EC2 public subnet. All right. Okay, now we're gonna launch a second instance. This time it is for private. So we'll do the same key pair. Okay, change this from demo. We want C this time. Wait, we do want this disabled because it is not public, it is private. And change this to choose existing group. Yes, that one. and that should have the stuff that we need, the same as the previous one. Okay, same. All right, additional use value web server 1. All right, and that should be everything. Yeah. Yeah, that is the VPC demo. Yes, that is exactly what we need. All right, launch instance. All right, I was told that I did this wrong. And so let's delete this. Terminate. Yes. All right, it's been terminated. Launch another instance. Use web server 1. All right, that's fine. I need the same one. Create a new one. Yes, second. VPC demo. C disabled. Rename it to VPC-SG security group demo 2. C V. Okay. Okay, for this you only need SSH and SQL. SQ. I think it's under MySQL. Yeah, MySQL. Okay, now we have all that information and launch instance. Oh, okay. Go to instance. All right, for the new one, we want to name this instead of EC2 public, it will be obviously EC2 private subnet. Okay. Okay, as we could clearly see, private, no public, private, yes public, for the public and for the private. Okay, let's start that. Session, SSH, let's grab our SSH from our public, grab this, insert this username, ec2/user. All right, and a private key, yes. Here's the private key. There it is. Okay. Seems his first time connecting, accept if you trust, yes. And we are instantly inside. Okay. Sudo, sudo IPA. And then it shows the IP address that we initialized, which was in 10.1 and then between 0 to 255, which is why they put 219, which is part of the scale that was in it. Okay, so I dragged and dropped the PEM key in here, and then I SH, and it is in here. So we want to SSH -I VPC -kp demo .pem ec2 -user. Okay, so let's grab this, go to the private, grab the private IP, go back in here, at the private. Oh, paste. You don't want all that. Ooh. User, paste. There we go. Oh, at paste. Where's the insert key? One. There we go. Press enter. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. A warning, unprotected private key file. This is required. Permission denied. Bad permissions. It should be the same one. It's required for private key files not be accessed by others. Okay, so what I have to do is chmod 600 VPC -kp demo.pem. Something's not going right. No such file and directory. Unless it's right there. Oh, that's why. Okay. Enter. Now it is. Okay. Okay, let's try it again. Now that we did the change mod. Right. And in I go. And instantly it's loaded to the next one. And as you can see, I am now in the 2 version, which is the private IP. And before we were in the 1 version, which was the public IP. Okay, now we did this. Let's go back here. And then let's go to VPC. VPC. Then network access control list. And as you clearly said, we did this. We did the routing. We're going to this now. All right. These are what is associated with both. And it just says that it allows everything. Okay, so now we create a new network access list, which is new ACL or network web demo using the VPC of VPC demo. All right, let's just create it. Okay. Go to inbound, edit, add new rule, 100, HTTP, add of 100, new rule, 100, PS, 300, SSH, save changes. All right, now we do this as well for the outbound. All right. Okay. And that is all for that because we already created the two ECT instances. Okay, so we did this, which is the creating of the VPC. We did the subnet. We changed the, oh, this is the route table. We confirmed the route. And then this is the creating of a new gateway. And then new route table that's allowed for the private and for the public to be public and have IP addresses, and then the private to be private. Okay, and this is the two instances and us SSHing into the instance through Morbex. What is it called? MOBA Exterm, yes. And that was all for Module 7, Lab 1, VPC, Public and Private Subnet.